Good morning, students. In the previous video, we discussed about some problems based on the standard results of a hyperbola. For example, for a given hyperbola, we are finding out the values of center, foci, vertices, equation of the directrices, length of the transverse, equation of the transverse, length of the conjugate, equation of the conjugate, length of the lattice rectum and equation of the lattice rectum. And we are working out some problems based on these concepts. Today also we are going to see the same type of questions. Find center, foci, vertices, equation of the directrices and length of the lattice rectum, equation of the lattice rectum for the following hyperbolas. See the question, 9x squared minus 16y squared equal to 144. This is the given equation of the hyperbola. But in the standard formation, we need the question in the form of x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. We need the standard type like this. This type number 1. Because starting 9x squared minus 16y squared equal to 144. Therefore, we need the standard formation in the form of x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. So, we are going to divide the given equation by 144. So, we are able to get 9x squared divided by 144 minus 16y squared divided by 144 equal to 144 again divided by 144, we can get 1. 9 and 144 will be removed. We are able to cancel. So 9 cancelling with 144, we can get 16. Here 16, again 144, we are able to cancel this one, we can get 9. Because 9 multiplication with the 16, we can get 144. Therefore, x squared by 16 minus y squared by 9 equal to 1. So this is in the standard form of x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. So this is related to type number 1, hyperbola. The name of type number 1 is transverse axis along x-axis. See here a squared equal to 16, a squared equal to 16, b squared equal to 9. So from the given hyperbola we are able to find the given hyperbola belongs to which type? Here type number 1. And we are able to find out a squared from the given equation, b squared from the given equation. Now we need e. What is the formula to find the value of e? A squared plus b squared divided by a squared. So square root of a squared plus b squared, 16 plus 9 divided by 16. That means we are able to get square root of 25 divided by 16. That means e equal to 5 divided by 4. The value of e equal to 5 divided by 4. That means 5 by 4 greater than 1. The value of e must be greater than 1. So you have to verify first concept. E must be greater than 1 for a hyperbola. And you have to justify the given equation belongs to which type. We need a squared, b squared and e. These are the first needed things from the given equation. So we are able to work out. Then what is the question number 1 here? See, this belongs to type number 1. Then we need some results based on this. What is the question number 1? Center. Point number 1 is center. Center C 0, 0. For any type, whether it may be a type number 1, that means transverse axis along x-axis, or type number 2, transverse axis along y-axis, we are able to justify the center C 0, 0. Then second one, foci. Formula for foci is type number 1 here, AE, 0, F dash minus AE, 0. So center 0, 0, foci. We are having two focus. One is called FAE, 0, another one is minus AE, 0. You are just to draw the diagram, you are able to recall everything. Here AE we want. See here, AE means A already worked out 4. Here E worked out 5 by 4. 4 will be removed, therefore AE equal to 5. So AE equal to 5. That means F 5 comma 0, then f dash minus 5 comma 0. So the second result, foci 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0. Then point number 3, vertices. Vertices, as per formula, we can say a comma 0, then minus a comma 0. Or you are able to write plus or minus. For your convenience, I am writing this a comma 0 minus a comma 0. See here, what is the value of a? 4. Here a squared 16, therefore a must be 4 comma 0, a dash minus 4 comma 0. So foci 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0, then vertices 4 comma 0 minus 4 comma 0. Then point number 4, directrices. Point number 4, directrices. It belongs to type number 1, so that x equal to plus or minus a by e. X equal to plus or minus a by e. Already we worked out we need a divided by e. That means the value of a is 4 divided by the value of e equal to 5 by 4. So by getting reciprocal, a by e equal to 16 divided by 5. So a by e equal to 16 divided by 5. Just to substitute here, x equal to plus or minus 16 divided by 5. So these are the fundamental results. Directly we can recall center, foci, vertices, then equation of the directrices. All these results same as for the ellipse also. We already discussed the theoretical concept. Now, if the question may be asked, find, the question may be asked like this. Point number 5. What is the length of the lattice rectum? I am writing L or here. Length of lattice rectum. What is the formula? 2b squared divided by a. 2b squared divided by a. See here, 2. The value of b squared. Just now we worked out the b squared equal to 9 divided by the value of a. The value of a is 4. So 2 and 4 will be removed, cancelling. We can get 9 by 2. This is the length of the lattice rectum. 2b squared by a. Just now we worked out 2, b squared equal to here 9, a equal to 4. 2 and 4 will be removed. We can get length of the lattice rectum 9 divided by 2. Then result number 6, equation of lattice rectum. The question may be asked. So equation of lattice rectum. What is the formula? Equation of the lattice rectum. It is type number 1, x equal to plus or minus ae. The reason is, what is the meaning of lattice rectum? It is a focal chord perpendicular to the transverse axis. Therefore, it must pass through the focus. What are the values of focus? ae comma 0 minus ae comma 0. Take the values x equal to plus or minus ae. That means x equal to plus or minus. You already worked out the value of ae. See, ae equal to 5 minus ae equal to minus 5. Therefore, plus or minus 5. This is the equation of the lattice rectum. Then, what are the other concepts? They may be asked. Length of the transverse axis. Length of the transverse. What is the meaning of transverse? A dash equal to 2a. Here x-axis is the transverse. Then result number 7, length of the transverse axis. Length of transverse axis. A dash equal to 2a. That is the basic result. So here 2 times the value of a. The value of a is here 4. Therefore 8. The reason is a squared equal to 16. We can get 2 times 4, 8. Then point number 8, equation of transverse axis. Here length of transverse axis, equation of transverse axis. See here, transverse axis means type number 1. Here x-axis is the transverse axis. Its equation y equal to 0. In your bracket you can write for your clarification x-axis. So y equal to 0. The reason is type number 1, transverse is along x-axis. Its equation y equal to 0. Then point number 9, length of conjugate axis. That is BB dash. BB dash equal to 2B. Here 2 times the value of B. Already we worked out. A squared equal to 9. Sorry, A squared equal to 16. B squared equal to 9. Therefore 2 times B we wanted. You are able to work out 2 times 3, then 6. So this is the length of the conjugate axis. Then we are having one more result, equation of conjugate axis. Here y-axis is the conjugate axis. Its equation x equal to 0. Then say y-axis. So we can say y-axis. This is equation of transverse, equation of conjugate. Transverse axis means it is penetrating the curve, hyperbola. It is the axis penetrating the hyperbola. So type number 1 have x-axis as the transverse axis, its equation y equal to 0. Then conjugate means y-axis, its equation x equal to 0. These are the results. In your question, they may be asked. Then one more concept they may be asked. Find the endpoints of the lattice rectum. That may be asked in your one more questions. So that I am already explaining. You are having 4 endpoints. Already we discussed L and L dash. It is in the positive side. So L and L dash are the endpoints of the lattice rectum. And also we are having one more focus, that means f dash minus AE comma 0. There you are having 2 endpoints, say L1 and L1 dash. We already worked out all the results in your theoretical concept. Suppose question may be asked, you can substitute the data. Now, and sketch the diagram. They may be asked, sketch the diagram. See, it is type number 1. This is the center. Center is C0, comma 0. Say here x dash. Then here, say this is L. Then equidistance from other side. Because of symmetry we are having L dash. Here L passing through the point Z. Here it passing through the point Z dash. And again vertices A. The hyperbola passing through the vertices. Say this is A. Say this is F. F means focus. In the same way, we are having another side. Say that here A dash, here F dash. Just now you find out all the values. A means vertices. Then Z, A by E comma 0. That is the equation of the directrix. Just now we worked out x equal to plus or minus. Here A means vertices. What is the value of vertices? A comma 0 minus A comma 0. Already you worked out A squared equal to 16. From that A equal to 4. Or you can say plus or minus 4 here. 4 comma 0. Then here minus 4 comma 0. Then here F. What is the value of F? AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0. So from this, what is the meaning of AE? A means 4. E means already we worked out. It is 5 by 4. 4 will be removed. Therefore focus 5 comma 0. Here minus 5 comma 0. See here. The points are located how? A is 4 comma 0. After that only focus is placing. So the value of focus must be greater than A means vertex, one of the vertex, say 4 comma 0, here 5 comma 0. What is the value of Z? The Z value is A by E comma 0. So we need A by E. What is the value of A by E? Already you worked out. A value is 4, E value 5 by 4. Taking reciprocal, you can get 16 by 5 comma 0. 16 by 5 comma 0. Here you are able to say minus 16 by 5 comma 0. See, Z dash equally spaced. A dash equally spaced. Then F dash equally spaced. So you are able to justify your answer, whether it may be correct or wrong. So you can realize the placement of the points. Z dash, A dash, it must be A. Then A dash here. Then see F, it is F dash. So it must be placed because of symmetry equally spaced. So you can recall all your things, then justify your answers. So no need to memory anything, just draw the diagram first. It is type number 1 means you can draw the diagram first. After that, analyze where L and L dash placed, where A and A dash placed, where F and F dash placed. You are finding out all these results. Then draw your diagram. So no need to memory, just recall the things you are able to follow. In the same way, we are having some more problems. But here, so far we worked out three problems based on this result. All these are directly we are able to justify the given question belongs to type number 1 or type number 2. That means, so far we discussed some problems. All these problems having center C 0, 0. We are able to work out directly. The given equation belongs to either type number 1 or type number 2. We are able to justify center is 0, 0. But see in this question, same model, but we are having center is shifting to some other place. Already we discussed in your theoretical concept. For an ellipse already we discussed, for a hyperbola also we discussed it. If the center is shifting from 0, 0 to some other point h, k, then we are going to draw a tabular column. From the tabular column only we are able to find out the problems. See here, find all the same result, center, foci, vertices, directrices and sketch the diagram. So far we are going to work out the same type of questions, but here the question asked is like this. The given is x plus 3 the whole squared divided by 225 minus y minus 4 the whole squared, y minus 4 the whole squared divided by 64 equal to 1. See the question, x plus 3 the whole squared divided by 225, y minus 4 the whole squared divided by 64 equal to 1. So, previous question, see, x squared by a squared, directly they are given the standard type, y squared by b squared. Here, instead of x squared, we are having x plus 3 the whole squared. Instead of y, we are having y minus 4 the whole squared. Therefore, here, center is not the origin 0, 0. Here, center is shifting to some other place. So, we need, for this type of question, we need to give the name. Let us consider capital X equal to x plus 3 and capital Y equal to y minus 4. See, capital X equal to x plus 3, capital Y equal to y minus 4. Now the given equation becomes, therefore, equation of the hyperbola becomes x squared divided by 225 minus y squared divided by 64 equal to 1. Now see, it is in the standard formation. So given equation can be modified with the help of the naming capital X and capital Y. Here capital X equal to x plus 3, capital Y equal to y minus 4. Therefore substitute here capital X squared by 225. Here using capital Y squared divided by 64 equal to 1. Now we are able to say it is type number 1. The given hyperbola belongs to type number 1. The reason is starting with x squared. Therefore, we are able to say transverse axis along x axis. Now, a squared equal to 225. B squared equal to 64. So, a squared equal to 225. B squared equal to 64. We need to find E. What is the formula to find E? Square root of a squared plus b squared divided by a squared. Substitute here. Square root of 225 plus 64 divided by a square 225. So that means we can get square root of 225, 64, 9, 602, 8, here to 289 divided by 225. So when we are able to take the square root, here 17 divided by 15. This is the value of E. 17 divided by 15. The value of 17 divided by 15, that means 17 is divided by 15, we can get the E greater than 1. So the value of E is greater than 1. Therefore, by the concept, hyperbola having the eccentricity greater than 1. So we need some data. What are the data? See here, a squared. First a squared equal to 225. We need these are the basic concept. Then b squared equal to 64. Then the given question belongs to type number 1. Here E just now we worked out the value of E equal to 17 divided by 15. These are the basic needed things. So by the given data, give the name, just capital X, capital Y. After that, work out a squared, b squared, then we need E. These are the data we are able to take from the given hyperbola. So here, what are the name of x? Capital X equal to x plus 3. Then capital Y equal to y minus 4. In the previous question, directly we are able to select. Here, these are the two new things, capital X and capital Y. Now we are able to draw a tabular column. You are able to draw a tabular column. The tabular column means it is very convenient to conversion, for your conversion. So that we are taking. We have another model also, but for your convenient, it is very easy to understand. Now listen, I am taking a tabular column. In this tabular column, already we worked out the same concept for parabola, the same concept for ellipse, we already worked out. If the center is shifting, immediately you can take a capital X comma Y axis. See, with reference to capital X and capital Y axis. Here, small xy comma axis. See, already you are giving the name capital X equal to X plus 3. So if we want to small x, then convert. This is a conversion. Capital X minus 3. See, we need small x means convert this 3 to the other side. We can get capital X minus 3. Then see, small y equal to, you are already give the name capital Y equal to y minus 4. If we want to find the small y, convert this negative 4 to the other side, we can get y plus 4. We can get y plus 4. This is the basic concept. This is the conversion. We need capital X, capital Y. First, after that convert. Mark for this only. With the help of capital X, Y, you are converting this one. See, what is the first result? Center. With reference to capital X, capital Y, center is 0, 0. Now just we worked out the center, see 0, 0. After that we are able to convert this one. Now the second result is vertices. The second result is vertices. For the vertices, what is the general formula? A, 0 minus A, 0. Now what is the value of A here? A square equal to 225. Therefore we can get 15, 0 minus 15, 0. This is the value of the vertices. Now need the third result, foci. What is the formula to find foci? AE, 0 minus AE, 0. So just we are able to work out AE. What is the value of A here? 15. Now what is the value of E? 17 by 15. 15 will be removed. Therefore we can get 17. So here 17, 0 minus 17, 0. This is the value of foci. 17, 0 minus 17, 0. Then result number 4 is directrices. What is the equation of the directrices? For type number 1, we already worked out the results. X equal to plus or minus A divided by E. So just to work out, A divided by E means the value of A is 15. Divided by E means 17 by 15. So 15 gets the reciprocal. So 15 again multiplication with 15 we can get X equal to plus or minus 225 divided by 17. Getting reciprocal we can get 225 divided by 17. These are the values we need. So first we need to fill capital X, capital Y. So just with the help of the standard result, we already confirmed the given equation is belongs to type number 1. Already we have x, a squared, b squared. Then the results based on the standard formulas. Center 0, 0. Vertices A, 0 minus A, 0. Foci AE, 0 minus AE, 0. So just to substitute directrices x equal to plus or minus A by E. Substitute the data, simplify. Now we have to convert this result. Capital X, capital X belongs to capital X, capital Y. We need to convert small x, small y. The given marks for this table only. So we need this result to convert here. We are able to get the final result. See the small x, small y axis here. We need this one because the given question belongs to small x and small y only. So we need to conversion. Small x equal to capital X minus 3. Small y equal to y. From where we are getting this result? Already we are giving the name capital X equal to x plus 3. Therefore we need small x. Convert this one capital X minus 3. So capital Y equal to y minus 4. Just to convert y plus 4. Now see the center. C first. C means center. Just we need to substitute the data. See, this is belongs to capital X, belongs to capital Y, because the pair of 0, 0 means the pair 0, 0 means the first result belongs to x, y. capital S, capital Y. Just substitute here. X equal to 0 substituting. The remaining is minus 3. Here y equal to, y is 4. Substituting here, we can get 4. Just substitution, you are able to get. No need to work out anything extra. No need to memory any formulas. Just substitution. See here, 15, 0. So already we are giving the name vertices A. 15, 0. It is belongs to capital X. It is belongs to capital Y. 15. Substitute here. 15 minus 3 we can get to 12. Then it is 0. This 0 is belongs to Y. 4. Then A dash. Say this is minus 15. This minus 15 belongs to capital X. So minus 15 already minus 3. Therefore we need minus 18. We are able to say minus 18. This 0 belongs to Y, capital Y. 0 plus 4 we can get 4. So vertices once again 12, 4. Just substitute this data 15, 0. 15 belongs to capital X. 0 belongs to capital Y. That means X 15 minus 3 we can get to 12. This 0, 0 again 4. Minus 15. Here minus 15 again substitute to capital X. Minus 15 minus 3 minus 18. This 0 belongs to Y. Again we can get 4. Then 4k. F. What is the value of F? 17, 0. 17 belongs to capital X. You can mark like this, capital X, capital Y. So here capital X. Capital X is 17. 17 minus 3 we can get 14. 17 minus 3 we can get 14. Here this belongs to capital Y. 0 again add with 4. Then F dash. Say minus 17. Minus 17 means it belongs to capital X. Minus 17 already minus 3 minus 20. Then 0 belongs to Y. Again 4. Then directrices X equal to plus or minus 225 by 17. Replace this capital X. What is the value of capital X here? X plus 3. So X plus 3. This is replaced by X plus 3 equal to plus or minus 225 divided by 17. So you are able to simplify this one. So X plus 3. This capital X is replaced by X plus 3 equal to plus or minus 225 divided by 17. If you are multiplying by 17, then simplify, you are able to get the results. You can do it yourself. I am just writing the results only. Capital X is replaced by X plus 3 equal to plus or minus 225 by 17. By multiplying this equation by 17, we can get 17x, again multiplication with the 3 equal to plus or minus 225. You can simplify the result. So these are the result we need. Now listen. Already I have explained these concepts. This is type number 1. Type number 1 means transverse axis along x-axis. In the previous type, that means in the previous heading, ellipse itself I am explaining. If it belongs to type number 1, then all the changes happens in x coordinate only. See the x values only changes. The value of y must be remain same. See here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So this is the important logic you are able to justify. See, it belongs to type number 1 means transverse axis along x-axis. Therefore, all the changes happens in the x values only. See, the x values are changing. Y values are remain same. This is belongs to type number 1, transverse axis along x-axis. If it belongs to type number 2, you can get another question. So type number 2 means all the changes in your y values only. The x values remain same. You are able to see in your next question. Now see, we need to draw the diagram. Sketching the diagram, that is the important one. See here, center, we need the results. I am taking the results here. Minus 3, 4. Then A, 12, 4. Then A dash, minus 18, 4. Then F means 14, 4. F dash minus 20, 4. So we need the points to plot the diagram. So just to take the points. Now, how we are able to draw the diagram? Already we explained the given question belongs to type number 1. So type number 1 means transverse axis along x-axis. So we already confirmed it belongs to type number 1. Now center is shifting. That is the first logic. So it is x dash 0 comma 0 y axis. See now, minus 3 comma 4 is the center of the given hyperbola, where we are able to plot minus 3 comma 4. So minus 3 units, 4 units here. So this is the center, minus 3 comma 4. This is the concept we already worked out in your theoretical concept. If the center is shifting from 0 comma 0 to some other place, shifting. So we need a capital X, we drawing the capital X and capital Y. This is the logic we already used in your ellipse also. So if the center is shifting from 0 comma 0 to some other place, generally h comma k, then take the new axis capital X and capital Y parallel to small x and small y. So already we are having small x and small y. Now we need capital X and capital Y. So differentiate these two axes with the help of drawing dotted lines like this. So now see here, we need this. This is x dash. Now listen, center we already worked out, just substitute. We need the vertices. See here, 12 comma 4. One of the vertices is 12 comma 4, another one is minus 18 comma 4. So 12 comma 4, it should be lies in the first quadrant. Therefore here 0 comma 0 minus 12 comma 4. Justify here A 12 comma 4. So it is 12 units in x coordinate and y here 12 comma 4. Then another one vertex minus 18 comma 4. Already you are fixed minus 3. Just to take down some other point. Say this is minus 18 comma 4. This is A dash. So A 12 comma 4. A dash minus 18 comma 4. So this is the vertices we are able to plot. So 12 comma 4. The reason is hyperbola passing through the vertices. So we are able to plot this one. Again we are able to draw this one here. So this is the hyperbola passing through 2 points A and A dash. Then after that we are able to work out foci. Foci means 14 comma 4. Already we worked out 12 comma 4 here. Just after this, say it must be the focus F 14 comma 4. It must be the focus 14 comma 4. Another one focus is 20 comma 4. See here, already we worked out 18 comma 4. The next one is, just say here F dash. F dash must be here minus 20 comma 4. Minus 20 comma 4. So these are the required things. So see here A dash, A and A dash, F and F dash. Here see 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. There is no changes in the values of Y. So type number 1 means all the changes happen in X values only. See the values of X 12, 14, here minus 3, minus 18, 20. Now we are able to say it is small y, it is capital Y. It is small x, then capital X. Then we are able to draw the equation of the directrices. We already worked out A here, F here. One directrix must be here, another one must be here. Say this is L, this must be L dash. We already well know. So we are having two directrices, L and L dash. So after center we are having two. Center is placed here. L and L dash must be placed in either side of the center. This is the diagrammatic explanation. If the question may be asked, draw the diagram. You have to draw the diagram. It must be a perfect diagram. How? Center is shifting from 0, 0 to some other point. So you need to draw capital X and capital Y. Immediately use the dotted line because it differentiates them with a small x and a small y. So draw that. Then immediately fix the A and A dash because hyperbola passing through the vertices. So fix A and A dash. One side A, another side A dash. And immediately draw the hyperbolic diagram. Then after that, one side F, f dash. These are the diagrammatic explanation as per your standard equation only. So try to draw yourself as per take the given points. Then think about center is shifting. Immediately your concept may be coincide with if the center is shifting, we need two new axes, that is capital X and capital Y. That's all. Then by the graphical, take the points as per in your graph. You are already worked out the mini graphs in your lower standard. Just use the graphical idea. Plot the points, draw the diagram. So dear students, you are able to work out yourself. Just already we finished many problems based on parabola and ellipse. It is a similar concept only. In your hyperbola and comparing with the ellipse, what are the changes? As per the general equation, x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. In your ellipse, it has a positive symbol. Then a squared, find out the values of a squared b squared, whether it belongs to type 1 or belongs to type 2. Justify. In ellipse also, we have two types only. Type number 1, major axis along x-axis. Type number 2, major axis along y-axis. Here, in hyperbola, transverse axis along x-axis. Type number 1. Transverse axis along y-axis. Type number 2. You are able to work out. Then find out a squared, b squared type, which type belongs to. After that, we need E. For an ellipse, E less than 1. For a hyperbola, E must be greater than 1. You have to think about this result first. Whether you are finding out the result correct or not. You are able to think.